get in the clothing haul. Like I couldn't stop myself and I was randomly scrolling through Amazon and I just couldn't stop myself, baby. Now, because the prices are so intriguing, this haul starts from as low as 180 rupees. Yes, and everything is a clothing piece. I know you're very excited and I am excited too, so let's keep the camera rolling. And the next, first thing is this beautiful high neck crop top. I don't remember the brands and stuff. Most of the Amazon things are from the Amazon inbuilt brands. So yeah, this is a beautiful yellow color, and what's the beauty of it? It has fish print all over it. I don't know if you can audibly make out. Oh shit! Beautiful fish print all over it. It has an elastic in the neck and on the waist and also on the hands, which is pretty loose for me on the hands. So, but still, this is so beautiful. I insert the prices and brand and sizes on the screen. If you want to buy any of this, you can find the link in the description box below. Yeah. Start with a shirt model maxi kurta. If you have been following me on my Instagram, you know it. You have already seen it this Sunday because I've styled it in 4 different and unusual ways, which I absolutely like. So this is a very inexpensive, very basic shirt kurta, but what stands out is the color and the pattern, which is very boho tribal kind of thing. So yeah, this is it, and I know this can be used in many different ways. So here's the thing. I got this from my mother and she did not like her on herself, so we're gonna make it work. And this is in a real oversized. This is really oversized, so we can make it 2 beauties in the same frame. Because I and my mother like to train. But first thing is this shirt. Well, the reason I got some of the sizes in a size larger size or big size, because in Amazon there is this price fluctuation with respect to the sizes. So we obviously wanted the lowest price. So it is this like. So this is a beautiful shirt with very basic shirt kind of a blouse, kind of a top with a small little ruffle detailing at the back, and it's a very basic top, like very basic top. So we have nothing to speak about. And the next one is this kurta. This is also very basic, you know, tough, frills, it's really small frills at here, and this is a very comfortable material. Like maybe this material is rayon. Yes, it's rayon. It's very comfortable, very summery, very breathable. So, and very inexpensive, bro. Come on. Also came with a tie-up belt kind of thing. Well, we have another kurta for my mommy darling. Is this beautiful yellow kurta? Again, this is so beautiful. Look at the color, yeah. This is mostly like a mustardy yellow, like light mustardy yellow, and this looks so beautiful, so print. The print in itself is so beautiful and very inexpensive, so high quality kurta. And this also has this tie-ups. Probably you have to tie it to the back or front, or you can just mix and match. Yeah. And the next one. Like before I show you this particular top, I'm gonna tell you one thing. Like this has been like soaked in as soon as we after a day we got it. So the label or the tag's color has been imprinted on the top. But you know, like this imprinted on the top, like here and here and here. So I mean, you should not. This should go away after 2-3 washes. If not, also this is a comfortable, you can wear it at home anyways because it's very cheap. But the material is so good, so thick cotton material, and the fit, and this fits so well on my body. So we're gonna make it work. It also has this wraparound kind of thing, and it also has a hook here. And the next one is, I'm really sorry for any kind of background sounds for today, sorry. And the next one is not from Amazon, it's from this Instagram store or small Indian business called rustorange.com, where you find like really quirky prints, quirky patterns, and really different kind of Indo-Western wear, which I have been eyeing for a really long time, and finally I got one, and that is this drop crotch pants and crop top and a shrug kind of whole set. The crop tops comes out like this with a little bit of gota patti on the neck, and that says the print is fine, but the material is very light. Okay, keep that point. Considering the price point, I'm not complaining anything, but the material is pretty Gucci. It's doing Gucci. The material is pretty good. It's a rayon material for the pants. It has a drop crotch which is evident, and one thing, the side cut has been really high, like it was above my knee. If you could see or figure out in the picture, tie on here. So yeah, if you're not on it, you can definitely stitch through till here until you are comfortable with the thing. And yeah, and when it comes to shrug, is the star of the show. I feel this set can be used in many different ways, and the shrug also can be used in many different ways. The first time I wore it, I just love this, and I can't really remove this off. And we'll just start with the first. Well, Zivame has been having this Bollywood blockbuster sale of anything of that sort, and I was just very intrigued, and I just slide it right into the app, and I found this Capri leggings from the brand Velocity. Velocity is the Zivame's inbuilt activewear brand, I think, and this is the Beauty, Capri Beauty. I got two of these, one in brown and one in grey. Both of them are same, absolutely the same. The reason I got Capris is I am very comfortable wearing Capris in and around the house. That will this even fit me? But this did fit me really well. So yeah, I'm liking it, and if you really enjoy watching this particular haul, I know you have to enjoy. I know you'll be rushing towards Amazon, but I'm really sorry, I don't know that the sale is still on. Maybe the sale has been completed when I was searching for it. Yesterday I didn't find the sale, so I'm sorry. But every day in Amazon, so just wish list that particular product if you want to buy anything. You're gonna see those price very soon. And yeah, if you really enjoy watching this cutesy little haul, please make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can encourage my work, encourage the effort I put into this particular channel. And please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Please, we are so near to 200 subscribers. So please subscribe to this channel. Let's make it 200 by the end of this year at least. Yeah, and please make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And like this video if you really enjoyed this kind of hauls, and comment down below what's your favorite of this haul, and also share it with your friends and family who are always on search for a shopping sale. Yeah, you have to. And also watch my previous videos where there's so many hauls and so many fashion, skincare related content, and you just don't want to miss that video. And not to forget, follow me on my Instagram, because you're going to see much of fashion inspiration and styling videos all over there. So please follow me on my Instagram, and I'll meet you next time. Until then, bye.